for the unity of the people of India, these types of festivals are, of course, its result will be the mind of the peoples of India, whether they are from Hindi area, Kerala area, Tamil Nadu area, Goa, for the unity. This is an inspirational, artistic and cultural and other type of guaranteeing factor according to me.
So it is participation of all the people. People of Goa unitedly they unite over here at this place. This is a place for unity. Goa is a place for unity. Everybody knows that. And Parra is the place which unites people. And Parra has started this festival of lights and stars. Later on in December, stars. So people are the light of the world, and everybody unites over here. Now Akash Kandil je hinga केल्ल्या हे आमचे हिंदू भावांनी केल्या, मुस्लिम भावांनी केल्या आणि क्रिस्तांव भावांनी केल्या. सो प्रायज जेन्ना मेळता तेन्ना कळटा की कोणाचो आकाश कंदील तो. सो टॅलंट सगळ्याच्या आंगान भितर आहा, रुजलेली आहा, ती भायर काडपाचो आमी एक तांकां प्लॅटफॉर्म दिता, आमी एक संदी दिता. आनी म्हाज्या वांगडा सगळी आमची टीम, पार्रा सिटिजन्स एसोसिएशन, आमचे प्रदीप बाब, शिवराम, एडवीन आणि बाकीचे खूप जण, ॲडव्होकेट रायकर अँड अदर्स, व्हडली टीम ती, 200 बॉयज अँड गर्ल्स, दे कम टुगेदर to make this festival a success.